Tuna, nababo, kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Bake with Fames for sending us amazing baked goodies such as this. Let me introduce po yung kanilang mga product one by one before we get to taste them. So starting off from my left, this is their chocolate chip cookies, plain and simple, but watch out for the taste because it's gonna be heavenly. The next is ito yung oatmeal raisin with cashew nuts. Meron din tayong mixed flavored cookies. Inside this jar, meron po tayong ube, matcha, and cookies and cream, which these are palm-sized cookies. If you notice, they're so huge. So let me proceed. Meron din tayong assorted mini cookies. So ito yung mga large cookies natin in a small bite-sized cookies. On my right, meron din tayo ditong brownies, butterscotch. Meron din tayong Revel bar. Grabe. Kanina pa ako ini-invite to taste them. So this one is their carrot loaf with cream cheese frosting. So next one is this moist chocolate loaf with chocolate ganache. Oh man, this is so elegant. Look at that, you know, chocolate delight. I'm gonna taste this one. I'm so excited na, no? Let's proceed, guys. So this is their blueberry cheesecake in a can. So we also have cheesecake with salted caramel nuts. Another dishes that you will surely fall in love is yung kanilang mga baked sushis. So available baked cheesy crab sticks with baked tuna. We also have baked spam musubi, and then lastly yung kanilang tuna kimchi. Wow, I can't wait, guys. Let me start off with their baked sushis. Okay, so with our nori wrapper, this is an overload with ingredients. Grabe. I am guessing yung parang cheese niya on top is actually half inches thick, and that is a lot. Next, I wanna try yung kanilang spam musubi. So again, with our nori, I wanna taste this spam musubi. Wow. Wow, grabe. Guys, I just tasted two of their products and I can say they have a really premium tastes. No? Hindi tinipid yung mga ingredients and the flavor. Alright. Oh, by the way, did I mention they are open for resellers? If you wanna, you know, start a small business, why not try reselling from their products? For more information about it, you can check out their fan page, and you know, you can do transaction with them. Wow! Guys, if you are to ask me kung ano yung pipiliin ko dun sa tatlo, I'm gonna go for the baked tuna kimchi. Grabe. So the rice itself, it's not plain rice, it's actually kimchi rice. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, mix ng tuna and the cheese. It is really thick, napaka-flavorful. I enjoyed it. So I wanna try yung mga baked loaf natin. Wow! If you can just, you know, see this with me, guys, it's just pure, awesome chocolate all the way from, you know, the surface up to the bottom. Oh. Wow. Pure, fantastic chocolate. Grabe, I'm gonna taste it again. Okay, next I wanna try is yung kanilang carrot loaf with cream cheese frosting. Oh wow, oh wow. Now for their cookies, I wanna try yung kanilang cookies and cream. Since we have a small size here, I wanna try this bite size because I wanna put it all in. Alright, so last to taste for this vlog, I wanna try yung ganun cheesecake with salted caramel nuts. Para sa akin, it will counterpart yung sweetness ng mga natikman natin for the salted caramel. Okay. Ooh, so soft. Napaka-soft nung ano niya. Yung consistency. And there you go. Hindi siya ganun katamis, guys. Even the cheesecake is not that sour, which para sa akin, mas gusto ko yung ganung mga type of cheesecake. Wow. And then to top it off, I like the caramel nuts. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any recommendations or reactions coming from you will be highly appreciated. So guys, go ahead, click that like button and share it with your friends and your family if you are interested to get the products of Bake with Fames or do partner with them dun sa kanilang reseller program. So make sure to contact them as well. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye-bye.